She turns. She turns. She turns. She turns. Look, 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 look. As soon as we get a bit of a breeze, a real breeze. There, look there. Whoopee! Rig the pulleys and the generator, and we have light. If only it could turn that fast. Look, here comes the breeze again. Here it comes, here it comes, here it comes, here it comes. Whoopee, whoopee, whoopee. Whoopee, whoopee, look, look, look. Pulleys over here, generator over here, LED over here. Okay, that's next. Greetings, hi, hallo, welkom hier, dag sê, goeiedag, hoe gaan het hier, lekker om jullie hier te hê. See all this stuff. I had a lot of this stuff for years and years and years in a toolbox in my shed. But I started following a lad on YouTube and I learned about all this kind of stuff. That's the very first bridge rectifier I built. There's a capacitor. I'm going to wire in. Here's a little fan, a motor, which I've converted to a generator. And you're going to see why. As soon as I attach it to my wind turbine, and we light up this LED. Yep, me at my age doing electronical stuff. I have the soldering iron getting warm there so that I can solder these bits and pieces. I just have to quickly check across which points the capacitor must go to smooth the DC. Yeah, I learned that. You see AC in, the two wires coming in from the generator, the converted motor, fan, positive, AC in, it doesn't matter which side, and then DC positive, in and out. There you have it. I'll show you more shortly. But I want to just, before I show you, point you in this direction to Robert's channel and to say this is the 31st of October. This is the very last day to enter the competition or the whatever you want to call it for a 3D printer. I'm going to be sending my email off with the video attached in the next hour or 5.
Ways when we've done a free prize draw. But Alan said to me, Rob, why don't you have a look at a bit more participation?
Look at that. See that? That's Rob. And this is it. Thank you, Rob. You've got me thinking. You've got my brain working. You've got me having fun. You're having got me doing way, way more than what I thought I would be doing. All in the pursuit of green energy and building home microsystems. Thank you. Okay, you may be wondering why I've gone the crazy route I have. Well, maybe because Rob in the past has used CDs to make Archimedes screw. I have piles of vinyl, LPs and singles, and I thought, okay, let me see if I can bend and buckle vinyl into forming blades for a wind turbine. Don't shoot at vinyl rescued out of skips. My vinyl is all behind my back and will never get ruined. If you don't believe me, here's all my vinyl. See if we can get this phone to work. There's my vinyl. So spared for posterity. So I will never ruin my vinyl. The vinyl I have, on the other hand, as you can see lying on the floor there, in my little workshop, office, whatever you want to call it, is all junked. I found it out of a skip, as I said, and I thought I could salvage the stuff, but it didn't work that way. So that's why I thought I'd use vinyl to make the blades. I have surplus of it, so I thought that would be a good idea. Needless to say, I've broken many of them. Many of them. If they get a bit of a nick, they snap. But so who cares? As I said, most of them are written off in any case. So there you go. You see it turning, it's driving the generator, but everything is slipping. It is not pouring, but I am freezing here in the door because I've been outside here trying to get this all going. I'm going to have to bring it in shortly. I've had the LED linked. You can see where the fan is hanging, and where you can see I have this full bridge rectifier hanging here, and the rain is falling down, and his master does not want to listen to his voice. I'm going to have to bring it in now, because if you can see, if only it would turn like that, but everything is wet and slipping. Okay, that's enough of a demonstration. I'll get it inside, set it up, couple the LED and light it up. Pitch black dark. I've rigged it up here in my little workshop. I'm going to swing it now by hand, and you're gonna see something. You see that? I'll show you again. You can see the clip there, reflection. Okay, I'll switch the lights on behind me so that you can see I'm not talking porkies. Once more, there we go. I don't know why the LED sort of doesn't want to keep going. Okay, lights on. There's the LED. There's the rig. There's his master's voice. There's the rig. Okay, I'm going to fling it by hand. There you go. There's the LED. And you can see the LED going there. Mission accomplished. Many, 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 many lessons learned. The main one, vinyl prefers remaining flat. Okay? That's the main lesson. But I'm going to tell you, it's a long time since I've had so much fun. I'm going to say thanks again, Rob. Here's my entry. As I said, what sparked the LP idea was your CDs that you used, and I thought, I've got a pile of these things. I also like collecting stuff and making stuff with stuff, and you are an inspiration when it comes to that. So again, there, it's lighting up. I did it all. It's the first time for everything. I built a bridge rectifier the first time myself. I learned all about this stuff. I converted that from fan to motor, or fan motor to generator. I decided this would be a good pulley. It's just normal elastic in there, and you can see. Okay, one more time. There we go. You saw it spin outside in the wind, unaided, unassisted. I'm going to crack a can now in celebration. There we go. Thank you.